In question 5, we have to rationalize the denominators of each of the given expressions with irrational terms. The purpose of rationalizing the denominator is to express any expression with irrational terms in a simplified way. And the way we accomplish this rationalization is by simply multiplying the numerator and the denominator of the expression with the appropriate multiplier. Let's do that in each case in this question. So the first part is 1 by root 7. So we will multiply both the numerator and the denominator by root 7, because when root 7 is multiplied by root 7, the outcome is a rational number. So we can write 1 by root 7 as 1 by root 7 into root 7 by root 7, and this gives us root 7 in the numerator, and in the denominator we get 7. So the denominator has been rationalized. Now let's go to part 2. In part 2 we have 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So we will multiply both the numerator as well as the denominator by root 7 plus root 6. So we will get 1 by root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. So in the product we will get root 7 plus root 6 in the numerator. What will we get in the denominator? Well, in the denominator we'll get root 7 minus root 6 times root 7 plus root 6. So that's root 7 square minus root 6 square. So root 7 square is 7 and root 6 square is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So the final outcome of this is root 7 plus root 6. So this is what we get by rationalizing the denominator of the second expression. Now let's go to the third part. So in the third part, the expression is 1 by root 5 plus root 2. So we will multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 5 minus root 2. So this will be 1 by root 5 plus root 2 times root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 minus root 2. The same multiplier for both the numerator and the denominator. So what will we get in the product? So in the numerator we will get root 5 minus root 2. In the denominator we will get, just like in the previous part, we will get root 5 plus root 2 times root 5 minus root 2. So that's root 5 square minus root 2 square, or 5 minus 2, or 3. So we will get 3 in the denominator. So this is what we get after rationalizing the denominator of the third expression. Now let's finally go to the fourth part. So in the fourth part we have the expression as 1 by root 7 minus 2. So only one term is irrational in the denominator. So we will multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 7 plus 2. So we will get 1 by root 7 minus 2 times root 7 plus 2 by root 7 plus 2. So what do we get in the product? So in the product we get, in the numerator we get root 7 plus 2. In the denominator we get root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2. So that's root 7 square minus 2 square, or 7 minus 4, or 3. So we get 3 again. So this is what we get after rationalizing the denominator of the fourth expression. And with that, all the 4 parts of this question are completed. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.